What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? Before I even get into this video, special thank you and shout out to Stan Banks over at T-Shirt Side Hustles. Make sure you guys go check out his channel. All right, today I got another unfamous design, as you can see here, but it's not made from FM Expressions this time. Supacolor hooked me up. All right, so I'm going to be comparing the two. They have an $80 setup fee. Supacolor doesn't have any setup fees. All right, and their lowest minimum is 50 pieces. Supacolor has a 20-piece minimum option. All right. FM Expressions price point is $2.50 per sheet. Supacolor's is $7.99 per sheet. All right, but sizing wise, FM Expression has a 12 by 12 printing area option. Supacolor has an 11.7 by 16.5 printable area option. All right, so we're just going to be comparing the two. With this particular design, with FM, the application calls for 325 degrees Fahrenheit when you press, and with Supacolor, their option calls for 320 degrees. Now, I feel like these two, the FM Athletic and the Supacolor wearables option, they're kind of similar, but I feel personally that Supacolor nailed the gradients and the colors better than FM did, and I'll show you guys in just a minute as we take this show up into my lab. Let's go. All right, so we're in the lab. The heat press is already heated up and ready to go at 320 degrees. So let's get right into this thing. Packaging came via Supacolor, via UPS. Came in like 2 days, super fast. Definitely faster than FM Expressions when it comes to shipping. All right, and as I look at this thing, they knocked this thing out of the park. All right, I'm not even gonna wait. I gotta show you guys this. This is exactly how I designed this thing, and it came out beautiful. Look at the details. And I'm not even gonna lie. This is one of my, this unfamous design that I use for my brand. This is one of my more detailed designs with a lot of colors. And I really wanted to put Supacolor to the test because I started out using FM Expressions, you know, for this particular design. And I put 3 different designs on one sheet. Difference between Supacolor and FM Expressions: Supacolor doesn't allow ganging, but I ganged it with FM Expressions. So I got 3 different designs right here on this one sheet. And as I got them, you know, I was pleased, but I can already tell that Supacolor is definitely gonna knock FM Expressions out of the box once I press this. All right, so I can't even hold you guys up. I gotta see how this thing is gonna come out. All right, I'm gonna use 2 different color options when it comes to the tee. This is an all black tee, 100% cotton. If you don't know by now, I love black. So let's get right into this thing. Slide out our tray. Get everything all lined up. I noticed that a lot of people like to press their garments upside down. I like to see how mine is actually gonna come out, so I press mine right side up. There's nothing wrong with that. Make sure everything's lined up. All right, here we go. "15-second application." Hot peel. Oh my goodness. Woo 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 woo. Look at that. Look at the details in that design. They knocked it out of the park. Look at all the colors. Look at all the gradients in that thing. So definitely, I would say going with Supacolor. If you want to use multiple colors at a low minimum, definitely go with Supacolor. Beautiful. Let's do the white one. Thing lined up. I could already tell white's gonna look amazing too. And look at that. Amazing. Look at the details once again. Let's make a comparison. All right, so we guys seen the white and the black tee via Supacolor. Now here's one of my FM Expressions tees. Not bad, all right? Just soft. They're pretty much have the same feel, but looking at both of them, as far as details, I feel like Supacolor got more of the details when it comes to this, well, these two particular designs that I'm showing you right now. And because I like, with my brand, I like to do low minimum pieces because I like all my pieces to somewhat feel kind of like vintage when I release them. You know, I don't want to oversaturate the market with thousands of the same, you know, designs. I like to keep my particular pieces in like the hundreds. So I feel like, you know, my customers really value my designs and they actually love what I'm doing. So once they sell out, I know, okay, that's a value customer right there. He's always returning and coming back and supporting the brand. All right, so that's one thing to think about as well when you're trying to pick which company you want to go with. as far as, you know, how many pieces do you really want? Do you really want to be locked in at 50 pieces? Do you really want to be locked in at 75 pieces? Now, when it comes to ganging, with the bigger sheets, FM Expressions minimum is higher. It's at 75, and the price point obviously is higher as well. So even though Supacolor doesn't give us that ganging option, I still feel like when it comes to like quality though, the quality to me is better. The colors are better, and I just feel like it's a better option for me, price wise and shipping wise. You get more bang for your buck. All right. So once again, shout out to Stan Banks. Shout out to Supacolor. I'm gonna have to say that Supacolor won this one. Not to say that I'm not gonna use FM anymore. I still will use FM. FM has a lot more options than Supacolor has, but you can go on their website and pick and choose and see what works for you. All right. So once again, always remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and choose your own path. Let's go.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.